This is a 2021 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. This is an incredible color that Harley has come up with for 2021. It's called Deadwood Green in Vivid Black with a black factory finish. What the black factory finish means is that the chrome has been blacked out, which gives this bike a really great contrast with the Deadwood Green and Vivid Black. You can't see it because the sun's not out, but the Deadwood Green is actually a metallic, a very light metallic that has a little bit of gold in it. Now this bike is equipped with the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine with a 6-speed transmission, so it has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you and your passenger and all your gear down the road, up over the mountains, power to pass. This bike is in just excellent condition. It has 7,961 original miles on the odometer. The bike's not even broke in yet. Now it does come with a fresh service, and the factory warranty is in effect. It is a stock bike, except for the 3 windshield bags from Harley Davidson that have been added. Being a limited model, it has the heated grips, ABS brakes, security system. It has the RDS system also included on it. LED headlights, LED driving lights, and they have a little bit of a black tint to them, which really sets them off. Just an absolutely gorgeous bike. Nice big seat, very comfortable for the rider and the passenger. It's a wraparound backrest for your passenger with nice big speakers. TourPak has the Harley Davidson luggage rack, so you can stow a lot of gear on this bike between the TourPak, the luggage rack, and the saddlebags. It does have stock exhaust. Nice big 6-gallon gas tank, so you have a lot of range with this bike. Being the 21 limited model, it has the GTS boom stereo system, which is AM, FM, Bluetooth, GPS navigation. You can Bluetooth your tunes from your phone and iPod directly into the system, or in this compartment right here there's a plug-in that you can hook up to your device, and it will charge it and at the same time integrate it into the stereo. And you can control all that with the touch screen or with the hand controls. If you're in the market for a new touring bike, take a really good look at this 2021 Ultra Limited. Low mileage, incredible color. Save yourself thousands of dollars off of MSRP. Don't get stuck paying all the dealer fees, the title and dock fees and setup and prep and freight and all that hooey. All of our prices are out the door with zero fees. For information on how to put this beautiful deadwood green and vivid black Ultra Limited in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. It can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.